Hi everyone! These Carrot-Walnut Crumble Muffins are lightly sweet, moist, and have a great crunchy top with a great taste. They're always a favorite for breakfast or as a snack. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine half cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of plain granulated sugar. Mix them about 2 minutes. Next, add 2 eggs room temperature, one at a time. In another bowl, mix together the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and pinch of salt. Gradually incorporate the dry ingredients into the butter sugar mixture. Alternate with half cup of milk. Then add grated carrots and chopped walnuts and mix everything well. Set it aside. Meanwhile, make the crumbled topping. Combine 2 tablespoons of cold butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. After that, put the butter into muffin cups, lined with paper cups. Sprinkle the crumbled topping over the butter. Bake in preheated oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until it comes out clean from the center. Once the muffins are baked, let them cool completely. Now they're ready to be enjoyed. I love these muffins for the flavor that the carrots and walnuts give them. And I especially love the crunchy crumble topping that is added. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.